Hi guys! Welcome back again! Kumusta kayo lahat? So guys, ngayon guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung ibon na gumagawa ng pugad sa tabi ng aking bintana. So, yearly yan sila dumarating para gumawa ng pugad. So ngayon, naisipan ko, nagvi-video na naman tayo. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila ginawa yung pugad nila. Tsaka i-update ko kayo hanggang sa mapisa yung itlog. So, ngayon, hanggang sa muna tayo ngayon sa paggawa ng pugad, tsaka papakita ko sa inyo yung itlog nila, hindi itlog ko. Sige, bye-bye!
Let's go adventure in the deep blue sea. Home is with you wherever that may be. Home is with you wherever that may be.
So ayan guys, isa-set up natin yung camera para makita natin kung paano nila ginawa yung pugad nila. So, samahan niyo ako.
Give me something new. I want it back through and through. Just do it. I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. Music, the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. Give me something new. I want it back through and through. Just do it. I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you.
ibon. Ayan. I-update ko kayo kung magiging ano na to, sisiw. So, sige, bye. So, ayun po guys, dalawa na ang aking itlog ng ating ibon. So, dalawa na. So, i-update ko kayo hanggang mapisa yung itlog. So, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!